Well, it's great to be back inside where it's warm, and now we'll look at the west coast to see what the rest of the provinces look like. So in Vancouver, it's 2 and sunny, which is really great for this time of year. They have a jet stream going in through the States, which is pushing its way up to Winnipeg, where it's -18, but with all the wind, it's making it feel like -32. Edmonton sitting at -13 with flurries, and Regina sitting at -17 with flurries as well. Now we'll take a look at the East Coast. So Montreal sitting at 0, which is not that good at this time of year because with all the snow they got, the roads are turning into slush and it's making it difficult for drivers to get around. And in St. John's, right now they're in a weather warning watch where they're getting 10 to 15 centimeters of snow, which is not that good for this time of year. Toronto is -2 and cloudy, and Halifax is also 0, which again, like I said with Montreal, it's not that good for this time of year with the slush. And you know what? We're going to go check out the resorts to see what the temperature is like over there.
Beautiful Palm Springs will be 25. Expect showers when you arrive in Barbados as it will be rainy and 28. Cancun is sitting at a boiling 29 and partly cloudy. Honolulu will be 25 and also partly cloudy. The southern parts of the states are stealing most of the sun, with Orlando sitting at 28 and Las Vegas 18.
It's -10. Conditions, it's mainly sunny, and the wind is 15 kilometers an hour, which is making that -10 feel more like -18. Later on, it'll get clear, which is nicer to have instead of that partly cloudy weather. Now we'll look at the Alberta map. So north of Alberta, it's looking pretty miserable with all the flurries and snows, and with Fort McMurray sitting at -20 and Grand Prairie sitting at -16, it's not very nice. Central Alberta gets a little bit better, with Red Deer sitting at -14 and Calgary -11, which is great for us. And then south in Lethbridge, we have -14, and then in Medicine Hat, it's -11 and sunny. And now we'll take a look at the 5-day. So tonight we'll drop down to -20. Wednesday will be one of the nicest time of weather that we've had so far. Thursday, it will get to drop all the way back down to -19 with flurries. Then later that night, it'll go down to -26, so expect to have some frost on your windows. Then Friday, it'll be -16, then drop down to -17, and then Saturday, it'll finally pick back up to that -6, which is what we want. So now we'll go take a look at the ski resorts.